got some heat, man. The blower's in. Came in the mail today. They delayed the delivery. You're gonna get a bad rating now for delivery. Freaking things. But yeah, the blower's in. I got heat again. Last car meet, it was cold as hell, so I didn't have no heater blower. Well, not a heater blower, but the blower itself, it wasn't even in there. I threw it away. I destroyed it, threw it on the floor because it wasn't working. But it's working now, and now I don't have to worry about heat anymore. So it's the next day. I'm gonna head out to my job because I want to get my tires flipped in the front. I was inspecting the tires yesterday because my alignment's off a little bit from putting that outer tie rod, and I noticed that I'm getting really bad camber wear, and also because, you know, I'm a little cambered out and I don't like stance. I mean, I did like it before, but I want to go for that track look, so I got to get adjustable camber kits for the front. So anyways, I'm going to go to my job. Good thing I got good friends over there. They're going to help me out flip the tires, and that way I can roll on some fresh other side of the tires, because the tires are still good, so I don't want to buy new tires just because it's cambered on one side. So let's head out. I got some SIs from my brother-in-law. He let me borrow them for now, so that way I can I don't have to put the car on a lift. But as you can see what I'm talking about, see it's wearing out, and then the other side is good. Same goes with that one. So I'm gonna flip the tires so I could run on this side until I could order some suspension, because I really need suspension and camber kit for front and rear. So I already got the tires flipped. I kind of did it off camera because they didn't want me to record in there. As you can see, the outer wear is on the outside. The side that's not worn out is on the inside. So now, it's a beautiful day today, but now I'm gonna go wash the car because it looks like crap. It's all dirty, and I shaved, you know, so I don't look all retarded, you know. So now let's head out to wash the car. I got her all cleaned up. She looks good as usual. And for today, in this episode, it's a little windy out, sorry. I'm gonna cut the back bumper. I wanna cut it from that body line right there. So that way you can see my lower control arms more and my subframe. And I don't know, I'm just bored, so I guess I'll cut the bumper today. So let me take it off. So this is how it's looking so far. It's not looking too bad. I am using a hand saw because I was using the machine, but it bounces too much and I don't want to crack the paint. So I just kind of just put painter's tape, and slowly for about an hour now I've been slowly working my way across. And as you can see right there, I started another cut, and I cut away at it so that way this part doesn't get stuck like it's been getting stuck right here every time I'm trying to come up and down. But little by little I'll get it. And on the edges, I think I went a little too low. I came down low, but it's better to come down low than it is to go up high, because then you won't be able to put the plastic back on, you know. So let me just finish cutting it, and then I'll show you what it looks show you how it looks like when it's done. Well, there it is. I really like how it looks. Now you can see the control arms and subframe. It does kind of curve down a little bit here, but the other side's the same way, so I really don't mind it. It looks good. There you can see the control arms now better. I am gonna paint that crash bar black and the trunk area thing black where the spare tire goes. And I'm debating if I want to take the tow hook off or leave it on. But I like the way it looks so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. See, I didn't cut it too high, and that rust is killing me right there. And I got a chunk ripped off from there. So Jerry passed by, and And he fucking took my wheels. And I'm rocking steelies, but it's alright. I'm gonna order my wheels soon. Oh shit. Your hubcap, I stepped on it.
This is your hubcap.
But yeah, Jerry's car got the wheels now. That's my boy Jerry right there.
Good, bro.
But yeah. Now I'm riding on steelies, baby. It's alright though, it's alright.
Yeah.
Well, my hatch is on steelies, but it will be on wheels again. You know, I didn't want the stance look, so I'm gonna go with the track look. But the bumper looks freaking great. I love the way it looks. But yeah, that's all I have for tonight. I'm gonna get inside. So thanks for watching my video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Comment down below how you think the bumper looks. I love the way it looks. And yeah, sorry about the steely issue, but I will have wheels soon. Give it a like. See ya.